In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a bookkeeper, mastering this skill will help you keep your financial records organized and accurate. First things first, let's start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it, and you're on your way. QuickBooks offers several versions, but for this tutorial, make sure you select QuickBooks Online as it's specifically tailored to handle transactions in this environment. Now, you'll need to type in your credentials. This is your username and password, so ensure you enter these correctly. After entering your details, go ahead and click Continue to access your account dashboard, where all the transaction magic happens. With your account now open, let's navigate to the Transactions tab. You can find this by following the link through QuickBooks, or you can access it directly from the left menu of your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all financial activities. After you've located the Transactions tab, click on Bank Transactions. This is where you'll find all your recent financial transactions that need categorizing. It's designed to help you manage your bank feeds efficiently, so you stay updated with your current financial standing. Within this section, move to the Categorize or Match column. This is where QuickBooks aids you in identifying transactions. Here you will either match the transactions to existing records or create new categories for them. Look through the list until you find the option labeled Match Found. When you do, click on it. This step will ensure that QuickBooks matches a current transaction with an existing one in your records, minimizing the chances of duplicates or errors. Next, simply click on Categorize. This button indicates to QuickBooks that you're ready to start organizing your transactions. Categorizing each transaction is an essential part of your bookkeeping. You'll want to be precise in this step as it directly affects the accuracy of your financial statements. Choose the appropriate category that reflects the nature of each transaction. Doing this correctly will streamline your financial reporting and provide a clear view of your business operations. Lastly, after you have selected the suitable categories, click Add. This confirms the categorization, allowing the transaction to be reflected correctly within your QuickBooks accounting data. And there you have it, you've successfully categorized transactions in QuickBooks Online. Regularly updating this ensures your financial records remain neat and up to date, giving you peace of mind and clarity over your business's financial health. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.